Hi everyone, I am Krishnamani. Welcome to today's sessions. Today our topic is aggregation and composition. So before going to this topic, we have to know about the topics are introduction, aggregation and composition, difference between aggregation and composition, and aggregation versus compositions. So before going to this topic, aggregation and compositions, we have to know about the association. So association is a relationship between two objects because the aggregation and compositions are comes under in these associations. So in other words, association defines a multiplicity between objects. You may be aware of one to one, one to many to one, many to many. All these words define an association between objects. Then coming to composition and aggregations are the two forms of association. So aggregation is a special form of association and composition is a special form of aggregation. So the association symbol can be represented as this simple line. So then coming to this association types, aggregation and composition. So aggregation is a part of or as a relationship and it is symbolized by a clear white diamond. It refers to the information of a particular class as a result of one class being aggregated or built as a collection. If you see this example, we are considering two classes. One is the parent class, this is the car, and one is the child class, and this is the engine. So it shows the aggregation symbol, that is the symbol is white diamond. It shows the multiplicity relationship, that is a 1 to 1 relations. So the one car having a one engine. So it shows the aggregation relationship. Then coming to composition. So composition is entirely made of, it is a strong form of aggregation. The part live and die with a whole and symbolized by a black diamond. If you see this example, here in this also we are considered two classes. One is a parent class, that is a book, and another one is a child class, and this is the pages. It shows the multiplicity relationships. Those are the one to many relationships. So here in this, it defines like one book contains many pages. So this is about the composition. So then coming to aggregation. So what is an aggregation? So aggregation is a subtype of association relationship in UML. So aggregation and composition are both the type of association relationship in UML. Then aggregation relationship can be described as simple words as an object of one class can own or access the object of another class. In an aggregation relationship, the dependent object remains in the scope of a relationship even when the source object is destroyed. So then coming to example. Let's consider as one example, that is a car and wheel. So if you see this car and wheel, a car needs a wheel to function correctly, but a wheel does not always need a car. So it can also be used with a bike, bicycle or any other vehicles, but not a particular car. Here, wheel object is a meaningful event without the car object. Such a type of relationship is called as an aggregation relationship. So aggregation implies relationship where the child can't exist independently of the parent. If you see the one more example, like class and student. If you delete the class and the students still exist. So one more example is, it is important to note that the aggregation link does not state in any way that the class A owns class B, nor that there are parent-child relationship. That means when a parent deletes all its child are being deleted as a result between two. Actually, quite the opposite. Because the aggregation link is usually used to stress the point that a class A instant is not the exclusive container of class B instance. As in fact, the same class B instant has another container. If you see this example, car is the parent class and it contains a child is engine and wheel. And one more parent class is there, that is engine specification, and the child class is engine. So here in this, it defines the aggregation relationship. So here one more example is document, paragraph and line. So here one document contains a many paragraph and one paragraph contains a many lines. So it represents a whole part relationship represented by a diamond symbol at the composite end. It can't be a reflexive, that means it is a recursive, it is a not symmetric, it can be transitive. So then coming to composition. So composition is a special case of aggregation. In a more specific manner, a restricted aggregation is called composition. When an object contains the other object, if the contained object can't exist without the existence of container object, then it is called composition. So, and the symbol can be represented as a like this. So, example here in this, a class contains students. Student can't exist without a class. There exists composition between class and students. So, the composition is aggregation is a subtype of aggregation relation with the characteristics are it is a two-way association between the object, it is a whole or a part relationship. If a composite is deleted, all other parts associated with it are deleted. So, composite aggregation is described as a binary association decorated with a filled black diamond at the aggregated whole end. So, if you see this one more example, a folder contains many files. Each file has exactly one folder parent. If a folder is deleted, all the contained files are removed as well. So here in this, a folder contains many files. It means it shows the one-to-many relationships. Here the parent is the folder and child is the file. If you delete this folder, then automatically deletes the file. For example, a folder contains a 10 files. If I delete one file, there is no any problem. If I deleted a folder, then all 10 files will be automatically deleted. So it depends on the folder. That means the child can't exist independently without the parent. So then coming to composition implies a relationship where the child can't exist independently of the parent. If you consider the one more example, house and room. If you destroy the house, then the parent will be removed and the child. So the room does not exist separated to a house. So the composite example here in this, we should be more specific and use the composition link in a case where in addition to the part of relationship between class A and class B, there is a strong life cycle dependent between the two, meaning when class A is deleted, then the class B is also deleted as a result. If you see this, the parent class is a person and the child class are head, hand and leg. If you delete the leg, there is no any problem because this is a child class. But if you are deleted the parent class, that is a person, so all child class will be removed. So this is the main concept in the compositions. So then coming to one more example. So order and item. So order is a parent class and item is a child class. It shows the composite relationship with a multiplicity association relationships, that is a one to many. That means one order contains many items. Many items means it includes so many items, number of items. If you delete one item, there is no any problem. But when you are deleting a order, then total items will be deleted. So it shows a strong form of an aggregation. The whole is the sole owner of its part. A component can belongs to only one whole. The lifetime of the part is dependent upon the whole. So the composition must be managed to creation and destruction of its parts. So now difference between aggregation and composition. So aggregation is a weak association and composition is a strong association. In aggregation, class can be exist independently without owner. In this composition, class cannot meaningful exist without owner. Here in this aggregation, it shows have their own lifetime. In this composition, lifetime depends on the owner. Here in this aggregation, A uses B, and here in this A owns B. Here in this aggregation, child is not owned by one owner, and the child can have only one owner. It shows the has a relationship. A has a B. That means a car has a engine. It shows the part of relationship. That means B is a part of A. That means a head is a part of a person. So this can be denoted by a empty diamond, and this can be denoted by a filled diamond. We do not use final keyword in this aggregation. Here in this composition, a final keyword is used to represent composition. Here in this, some of the examples are: car has a driver, a human uses a clothes, a company is an aggregation of people, a text editor uses a file, a mobile has a SIM card. Here in this composition, some of the examples are: engine is a part of car, a human owns a heart, a company is a composition of accounts, a text editor owns a buffer, and the IMEI number is a part of a mobile. That means it is the International Mobile Equipment Identity Unique number. So then coming to aggregation versus composition. So aggregation versus composition is: aggregation relationship is denoted using a straight line with an empty arrowhead at one end. Here in this composition, relationship is denoted using a straight line with a filled arrowhead at any end of the end. So aggregation is a part of an association relationship, and the composition is a part of an association relationship. And aggregation is considered as a weak type of association, and the composition is considered as a strong type of association. In aggregation relationship, objects that are associated with each other can be remain in the scope of the system without each other. In a composition relationship, objects that are associated with each other can't remain in the scope without each other. The linked objects are not dependent upon the other objects, and the linked objects are highly dependent upon each other. Then coming to one more example, sir. In aggregation, deleting one element does not affect another associated element. In the composition, deleting one element affects another associated element. If you see this example, a car needs a wheel, but it does not always require the same wheel. A car can function adequately with another wheel as well. In this composition, a file is placed inside the folder. If one deletes the folder, then the file associated with that given folder is also deleted. So this is about the aggregation and composition. Thank you.